Question 1. Which is the richest state in India by GDP? Options: A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Gujarat. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra leads India with a GSDP of over 35 lakh rupees crore, home to Mumbai, India's financial capital and Bollywood hub. Get ready for the next question. Question 2. Which is the most literate state in India? Options: A. Tamil Nadu, B. Goa, C. Kerala, D. Mizoram. The correct answer is Kerala. Kerala boasts a literacy rate of approximately 96.2%, the highest in India. Known as God's own country, it pioneered social welfare in education. Get ready for the next question. Question 3. Which state has the largest area in India? Options: A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is India's largest state by area at 342,239 square km, larger than several European countries. It contains the famous Thar Desert. Get ready for the next question. Question 4. Which state is the most populous in India? Options: A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. West Bengal. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, with over 240 million people, is the most populous state, larger than Brazil's entire population. Get ready for the next question. Question 5. Which state produces the most wheat in India? Options: A. Punjab, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Haryana, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest wheat producing state, contributing approximately 35% of India's total wheat. The Gangetic Plains provide ideal conditions. Get ready for the next question. Question 6. The Silicon Valley of India refers to which city, state? Options: A. Hyderabad, Telangana, B. Pune, Maharashtra, C. Bengaluru, Karnataka, D. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Karnataka, Bengaluru, is called India's Silicon Valley, hosting 35% plus of India's IT exports with companies like Infosys, Wipro, and hundreds of global MNCs. Get ready for the next question. Question 7. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Options: A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is Gujarat. Gujarat has India's longest coastline at approximately 1,600 kilometers. It covers both the Arabian Sea and Gulf of Kutch, vital for trade and fishing. Get ready for the next question. Question 8. India's smallest state by area is? Options: A. Sikkim, B. Tripura, C. Goa, D. Nagaland. The correct answer is Goa. Goa is India's smallest state at 3,702 square kilometers. Despite its size, it's the richest state per capita income and a top tourist destination. Get ready for the next question. Question 9. Which state is known as the land of rising sun in India? Options: A. Meghalaya, B. Nagaland, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Assam. The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is called the land of the rising sun. It receives the first sunrise in India. It borders China, Bhutan, and Myanmar. Get ready for the next question. Question 10. Which state produces the most rice in India? Options: A. Andhra Pradesh, B. West Bengal, C. Punjab, D. Orissa. The correct answer is West Bengal. West Bengal is the top rice producing state, contributing approximately 15% of India's rice. The Ganges Delta creates perfect paddy cultivation conditions. Get ready for the next question. Question 11. Which state has the highest per capita income in India? Options: A. Goa, B. Delhi, C. Sikkim, D. Telangana. The correct answer is Goa. Goa consistently ranks as India's state with the highest per capita income, driven by tourism, mining, and a small but highly educated population. Get ready for the next question. Question 12. The famous Sundarbans mangrove forest is in which state? Options: A. Orissa, B. Assam, C. West Bengal, D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is West Bengal. West Bengal houses the Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to the Royal Bengal tiger. Get ready for the next question. Question 13. Which state has the highest tiger population in India? Options: A. Maharashtra, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Uttarakhand. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, called the Tiger State, has the highest tiger count, approximately 785, in India. Kanhar and Bandhavgarh are its famous tiger reserves. Get ready for the next question. Question 14. India's tea capital, Assam, is famous for which product? Options: A. Coffee, B. Silk, C. Tea, D. Jute. The correct answer is tea. Assam tea is world famous. Assam produces over 50% of India's total tea and 17% of the world's tea, known for its bold, malty flavor. Get ready for the next question. Question 15. Which state is called God's own country? Options: A. Karnataka, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Goa. The correct answer is Kerala. Kerala, God's own country, is renowned for backwaters, spice gardens, Ayurveda, Kathakali dance, and lush Western Ghats biodiversity. Get ready for the next question. Question 16. The Golden Temple is located in which state? Options: A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Haryana. The correct answer is Punjab. Punjab, the Golden Temple, Harmandir Sahib, in Amritsar, is the holiest shrine of Sikhism and India's most visited monument, welcoming 1 lakh plus visitors daily. Get ready for the next question. Question 17. Which state is the largest producer of milk in India? Options: A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh leads India's dairy sector, contributing approximately 17% of total milk production. India is the world's largest milk producer thanks largely to UP. Get ready for the next question. Question 18. Which state has the highest number of districts? Options: A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has the most districts in India, 75 districts. Managing this is a massive administrative challenge given its 240 plus million population. Get ready for the next question. Question 19. The famous Ajanta and Ellora caves are in which state? Options: A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra, Ajanta and Amp, Ellora caves are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Ajanta has Buddhist paintings from 2nd century BC, Ellora has Hindu, Buddhist and Amp, Jain temples. Get ready for the next question. Question 20. Which state is the largest producer of cotton in India? Options: A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Rajasthan. D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is Gujarat. Gujarat is India's top cotton producer, contributing approximately 35% of total output. The BT cotton revolution transformed Gujarat's agriculture significantly. Get ready for the next question. Question 21. Which is the most visited tourist state in India? Options: A. Kerala. B. Rajasthan. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh leads domestic tourism, home to the Taj Mahal, Varanasi, Mathura, Agra Fort, and Lucknow, attracting over 350 million visitors annually. Get ready for the next question. Question 22. Which state has the largest forest cover in India? Options: A. Uttarakhand. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in absolute terms, approximately 77,500 square kilometers. Arunachal Pradesh leads in percentage, but MP wins in total area. Get ready for the next question. Question 23. Which state is known as the Fruit Bowl of India? Options: A. Kashmir. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Punjab. The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is called India's fruit bowl. Famous for apples, plums, peaches, and cherries, the state produces 80% of India's mountain apples. Get ready for the next question. Question 24. The headquarters of the Indian Navy is in which state? Options: A. Gujarat. B. Goa. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra, Mumbai, the Western Naval Command HQ is in Mumbai, India's busiest port city. Mumbai houses the Chief of Naval Staff Command. Get ready for the next question. Question 25. Which state leads India in solar energy production? Options: A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Karnataka. The correct answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan leads India in solar power generation with approximately 19,000 megawatts installed capacity. The Thar Desert provides unmatched solar radiation levels. Get ready for the next question. Question 26. Kathakali is the classical dance form of which state? Options: A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. The correct answer is Kerala. Kerala. Kathakali is Kerala's ancient classical dance drama. The elaborate costumes, makeup, and expressions tell stories from Hindu epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. Get ready for the next question. Question 27. Which state is the largest producer of sugarcane in India? Options: A. Maharashtra. B. Bihar. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Karnataka. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh produces nearly 50% of India's sugarcane. The fertile Gangetic plains and tropical climate make it India's undisputed sugar bowl. Get ready for the next question. Question 28. The famous Konark Sun Temple is in which state? Options: A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Orissa. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is Orissa. Orissa, the Konark Sun Temple, 13th century, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, designed as a giant chariot of the sun god with 24 carved wheels. Get ready for the next question. Question 29. Which state in India has the highest rainfall annually? Options: A. Assam. B. Kerala. C. Meghalaya. D. West Bengal. The correct answer is Meghalaya. Meghalaya, Mawsynram and Cherrapunji in Meghalaya hold the record for highest rainfall on Earth. Mawsynram receives approximately 11,872 millimeters of rain annually. Get ready for the next question. Question 30. Which state is called the Granary of India? Options: A. Haryana, B. Punjab, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Punjab. Punjab is India's granary. It contributes approximately 50% of India's total wheat to the central food pool. Its Green Revolution success made India food self-sufficient. That was the last question. Congratulations on completing the India States quiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Quiz complete. You watched all 30 questions about Indian states. Like this video and subscribe for more amazing India quizzes.